Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I'm about to bust a gut. I can't wait to share this beautiful paper. Stay tuned. Y'all, I call myself the posh paper lady for a reason. I love beautiful, posh papers. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways you've supported me and my channel for the 4 years I've been on YouTube, and 2023 is no different. Your support of me and my channel is so appreciated. Now back to posh and beautiful papers. Because I am on Amazon a lot, I'll get items suggested to me, and I'm sure you probably do as well. Well, one of the suggestions that I got was for some beautiful, absolutely gorgeous tissue paper. And I can't wait to show it to you because we can craft with tissue paper. So if you're looking for some elegant, innovative ways to get beautiful, posh paper, keep watching. I have switched to my overhead camera because this is what I want to show you. This is some of the most beautiful tissue paper I have ever seen. And I ordered one pack because I wanted to test the quality of it. But they have other patterns as well that I already have on order. The company is Colors of the Rainbow, and the paper is printed in Italy. And you guys know that I love the Italian wrapping paper by Rossi. Some of the most beautiful sheet paper and tissue papers that I have ever used in my paper crafting come from Italy. And this is no different. You get 12 sheets, and they're 12 large sheets. I think the size is 20 by 29. I'm not certain on that, but I know it's long enough that you can place down two 12 by 12 pieces of cardstock. So I'm just opening this because I want to pull it out so that you can see the rich vibrancy of this. And I'm just going to spread it out like this so that you can get a really good look. It's longer than my mat, and my mat is 24 inches this way, and I believe it's 18 inches this way. So you can see that it's much bigger than my mat. It covers my whole mat. And look at how beautiful this is. These are the types of things that I like to work with. Of course, I love using just beautiful 12 by 12 specialty papers, but I also like to make my own specialty papers by using beautiful sheet paper, wrapping paper, or tissue paper. And this is truly tissue paper. You can see my hand through this paper. So it is a tissue paper, but we're able to take these tissue papers and turn them into our own specialty paper. And the look that you get is determined by the paper that you use underneath. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I've decided to use the wrapping paper to create my own specialty paper. And on this one, I used a very rich burgundy or wine colored paper. And you can see this is the look that you get. The background paper really does determine the overall look that you're going to get when you apply the tissue paper. And you can see that nice rich look I have underneath. But now I want to take a lighter paper to show you the contrast. So I have applied adhesive to the back of my paper using my Xyron Creatopia, which will allow me to apply adhesive on pieces that are up to 12 by 12. Now, if you don't have a Xyron Creatopia, you can cover this with tape, but my preferred method when I'm not using the Xyron Creatopia is to use some Elmer's all-purpose adhesive sprays. Make sure that you're spraying outdoors so that you're not inhaling the fumes, and make sure that you spray the paper that you're laying down and not the tissue paper. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to place it down like this. I might end up with a few wrinkles, but I'll be able to work a few of them out. Some of them I might not get out, and that's okay. So there, I have that down. I'm going to take my finger blade and trim out the excess. And then I'm just going to trim this because I'm going to save this piece along with these pieces, because these can definitely cover some journals or some notebooks or even make some beautiful greeting cards. So I definitely will not throw that out. So I'm just going to take my big old spatula. I'm going to go in and just smooth everything out to make sure that it's nice and stuck. And now I have another beautiful piece of decorative cardstock. So it's this side and then this side, created using tissue paper. But what I really want to show you now is the different look that you get based on the base paper that you use. So you can see that I used a lighter paper here and a much darker, richer paper here. So the background coming through that tissue paper is going to pick up the darkness of the paper underneath. And then on this piece, it picks up the lightness. So the tissue paper is the same tissue paper, but you get a different look depending on the background paper that you use. So you can use a green, a yellow, a blue, whatever it is you want. The tissue paper is going to pick up that color, which is also going to change the feel of the piece that you might be going with. So either one of these will work beautifully on any project that I might do, but depending on the paper that I choose to place down, I'm going to get a different look. You can also take a piece of sheet paper and use that as well. So textile paper, just apply it to the tissue paper just like you would the cardstock. And that'll give you a beautiful front to that plain white sheet paper that you might want to use. Or you might have a decorative piece of scrapbook paper that has a white background and you want to use that as well. Completely up to you. But I wanted to share with you guys this awesome tissue paper find, because if you happen to be in the store or you happen to be online and you come across some beautiful tissue papers, remember, we can take those tissue papers and turn them into usable paper on our projects. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this very quick tissue paper find, as well as the tip on how to achieve different looks using the same tissue paper. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.